Whoa. Hi you guys, I'm so happy here. My name is Riya and welcome back to my channel. My room is a mess and that's because I have just shopped worth 30,000 rupees from H&M. Yes, you heard that right. I have literally lost my mind and just shopped. Honestly, that day while getting ready, I had like a major realization and I was like, I just need to clean up my wardrobe and bring in all new stuff that looks fresh and new colors, new clothes that look like they fit me right, you know. This is in store and online, and actually one of the things I discovered is that most of the stuff that they have online they do not have in the store. I was so disappointed when I went to the store, honestly, because I went shopping with Kanch and she needed clothes as well because we are going on a trip this Friday, which is actually when you all are going to be watching this video. We will probably be on flight or at the airport or something. That's why Kanch and I went shopping yesterday to H&M, Zara, only a bunch of places. Now Zara, I literally got like one or two things that also I think I'm going to return only. At least with this current collection that I saw in store yesterday, I was not vibing, but of course H&M, my bestie for life. This girlie has ended up spending so much money, that also before a trip. Like now I'm going to go on a trip and I'm going to spend again. So yesterday I posted a picture saying this girlie knows how to shop, and so many of y'all have replied saying haul time, waiting for a haul on YouTube, and I am here to give it to you, don't worry. I honestly was trying on clothes for an hour before I'm shooting this video, and then I realized shit, I could have done a try on haul and like recorded it. But now the moment's gone. I don't have the energy to try it on again, but next time I'll do a try on haul, and this time let me show you everything I've got. Let's get on with the video. This is my first purchase. I'm starting with I think this, and there's like one more thing from Zara, that's all. Great pair of pants. It's just big for me, and this is Zara's XS, which as usual is too big. Yeah, this has to go. But my mom tried it on and she loved it, so we're gonna pick it up for her in her size. So it is still a good pair of pants, which is why I'm showing it to you, otherwise I wouldn't show it to you only, you know. Next we have this bag. I love it. It looks so rich. Look, it's so roomy. Cute. This is a suede beige bag. Because of the color, I feel like it'll go with almost all my clothes. This was for 1399. Not bad, honestly. Fine, I get it. Next we have this pair of pants that I love. Now let me just tell you a little story behind this. This you get with like a matching bandeau top, and that bandeau has like a little tie up at the back, and I originally planned on wearing it as a quad set because I was like, that'll just have me sorted. But when I added all this stuff to my H&M cart, all happened within the span of like an hour, I want to say, and in that hour the bandeau top got sold out. And then it wasn't even there in the store, so I really couldn't do anything. But I got the pants regardless because I can pair it with a lot of stuff. The border, the material is lovely. It has a little tie up here, so it will 100% fit my waist as well, and it did because I tried it on. You guys, I just want to apologize. I feel like there's something seriously wrong with the focus of my camera. I've been trying my best to fix it. I've been YouTubing it, googling it, reading reviews, seeing as much as I can, but nothing is working. Like I keep changing the settings and the focus is still off, so I'm so sorry if I keep blurring, but I think it's just a problem with this camera. Everyone's been having it. I have the Canon G7X Mark III, so if you have a solution for me, please let me know, and until then, please just stick with me and I will try my best to figure this out very soon. Okay, cool, let's get back to the haul. Anyway, these pants are for 14.99, which is good in my opinion. Let's see after a few washes what its halat is, but right now it seems like it's pretty good quality. Next we have a pair of white linen pants. Linen, nothing like it. Genuinely, it looks so chic, it looks so cute, and it just looks perfect. I wear a lot of linen in Bombay as well, but most of my linen pants, actually all of them, have a nada. So like they look very informal in my opinion because it has nothing else to the pants. Like if a pant like this has a little tie nada, it's still okay because the pants are so extra. But if you're just going to wear plain linen pants and they have a tie, it just makes it look like an everyday casual look and not a put together casual look. So I want to get a pair of linen pants with a button. Now I know this sounds crazy, but these little things really do like elevate your outfit and change the vibe of it. So cute. And these are for $22.99. A little bit expensive, but I guess pants in general are expensive. So soft. Can we talk about me being obsessed with this burgundy red, cherry red color, whatever it is. This color is so cool. Not everything is for my trip, so I feel like everyday use, this is perfect. This was for $4.99, but heads up, it's a little translucent. For a t-shirt like this, you would need to figure out your innerwear. Now take notes. I feel like a staple light blue washed pair of jeans, very like well fitted but yet not tight, like you can sit in it, you can eat in it. I got a new pair. It's a wide high waist jeans. That means it's like wide legged. I'm not a skinny jeans person anymore, and it's a high waist one, and my size is a UK 4, which is a Europe 32 jeans. This is the color. I tried these on and I'm in love with them. You're gonna see me wearing this so much, and they are so comfortable. Like you could literally wear these on a flight and be fine. And this was for $22.99. Next we have a really cute denim, whoa, let me zip this, hold on. Really cute denim corset top. I love the fact that it's grey. Most of my denim clothes are shades of blue. It looks very high fashion. Also fits me really well. I got it in size XS and it's for $14.99. I don't know if you remember, but I had done like a mini haul video on my YouTube maybe like a month ago, and I got a brown tank top like this, same fit, same material, everything, from H&M, and I had said also that if I like the fit, I will buy another one. And I actually got this in this color and a white, but the white turned out to be stained. This was for $3.99. Definitely worth the money. I've already worn the brown one so many times and I will wear it a lot more times, and it's in perfect condition. Next, it has some lace, it has a bow on the front. The lavender is so cute. They have this in a grey black combo, and they also have this in a white with like little tiny flowers on it combination. I love it. Like, I think it's so sweet. This one was for $7.99. I got this light blue and white cropped shirt, and when I say cropped, it's not like cropped idhar tak, it's like long but cropped. It was for $12.99 and I got it in size XS, and I would 100% recommend the shirt if you're a shirt person, or even if you go to office all the time. Slowly realizing how many of my clothes are blue. Like, I feel like I have a super blue wardrobe thing going on. Next, this maxi dress from H&M, super maxi. This was there in a light pink as well. This was for $12.99 and I got it in, where's the size, double XS. Maybe that's why it's fitting me so well, because it's like sticking to my body, but it looks so cute. I also bought a lot of innerwear, lingerie and stuff like that. A lot of people told me H&M bras are super comfy. I feel like that's also why my total bill has gone up. 1, 2, 3, and I got 2 more, so 5. Good enough. Next I have this really pretty black mini dress. Looky! It's not like a fitted black mini though, it's like a very chill fit linen black dress. It was for $19.99. I guess, okay, maybe a little expensive, could pass for $14.99. Maybe they should hire me for H&M pricing. Ah, this color is back. Look, so cute. Got it in the size XS and it was for $4.99. This color will only make you feel cute. Like, that's my thing. That's my thing. I have a top that is not very me. It looks so feminine but still like edgy, and yeah, I just like how it's looking on me. So if you see it, don't be surprised, even though it's very against my personality. But I got this animal print little top. It has a bow on the front. It also has some frill detailing on the sleeves and on the neckline. Ha! It is so cute. It is like cinched on the waist and it kind of like falls at the bottom. So cute. We have this white tank top. It's not a cropped one, it's a full length one. It's a little different from a top I would usually get, and I think it's different because it's from Zara and not H&M. I tried it on. I'm not sure if I like it. Like, it's fitting me well, but it's not something I would typically wear. Like the cut of the sleeves and the neckline, and just everything. This is so cute. It was for 1050. It's my second purchase from Zara, second and last, I think. Okay, I love this next one. I got it from Only, so that was a real unexpected. I think I walked in there after a long time and I actually found something so pretty. I got this pink corset top. It's not like literally a bone corset, so it's like really comfy. The fabric is great. It's a bright, gorgeous color. This was for $17.99. Little overpriced for a top in my opinion, but since I love it so much, I'll let it pass. The next couple of things are from the H&M kids section. Now I do this a lot. I feel like kids these days are dressing really well because the 10 to 11, 11 to 12-year-old category size, those clothes fit me, okay? And they are cute, and Kanchi and I always find clothes for ourselves in the kids section, and no one else will have those as well, right? Because who else our age is going to be wearing clothes from the kids section? Comment down below if you shop from the kids section. But this next one is an H&M Reebok collaboration. Can you believe I bought an oversized t-shirt from the kids section and it's actually oversized on me? Anyway, this is the t-shirt. This is the back of it. It says Reebok. $9.99 and I got it in a size 10 to 12 years. I've also already paired it with a skirt that I got from the kids section as well. It looks so cute. I love the color, love the pockets, the fade, the detailing. Also, when I tried it on, I remembered that inside like inside kids clothes, they have that little band where you can adjust it with a button and you can tighten it and loosen it. Why don't they do that for adults? This revelation. As soon as I saw this, I remember that as a kid all my clothes used to have this, and it is the most convenient thing because I got this in size, let me tell you, 9 to 10 years, and for the waist was still a little big for me, and it's for $12.99 by the way. Oh yes, couple of accessories. I got the bag which I already showed you, and then I got this pair of sunglasses. Cute! I got this butterfly necklace, really like dainty and cute, and this was for $2.99, so it was worth it. There are a couple of things that I have not shown you all in this haul that I bought but didn't really like or vibe with. Now I just didn't want to like show it to you all and misguide you all to buy it if it's not worth buying, you know. So I've just put it in the bag and I'm going to return it anyway, and it's just not worth it. That was my shopping haul. I hope you enjoyed watching this. I know how much you love hauls, and as much as I would like to do a haul for like every single video, I just can't spend this much money all the time. I feel like I'm really gonna enjoy these clothes. I desperately needed a change in my wardrobe, and I'm really genuinely gonna make the most of it and just feel cute in all my new clothes. If you end up buying any of the stuff I bought, post a picture, tag me, DM me a picture of you wearing it, and I will know in my heart that we are twins. Anyway, that's it for this video. I will see you next time. I hope you enjoyed.